We got some awesomeness for you today. Look at this. Let me make sure that it gets focused for you. If you saw a video recently on my giveaway, I'm giving one of these away. Louisiana fish fry products. Love them. Love their products. But I tell you what, this is their brand new sauce. Garlic butter sauce. That's right. And it's very selective. Most places that even have a chance to have some are out. I just looked on Amazon. You can't buy one bottle. You got to buy a 12-pack of these, 10.5 ounces. All right, it's $40, $39.99 for 12 bottles. But if I was you, I'm gonna leave a link down below. If I was you, you easily can probably find a friend that says, hey, I'll take 6 and you take 6, because you're gonna go through these. Yes, you are. We might even give one away, but they're awesome. I cannot wait for this video. So what do we have for you today? Hang on, we'll be right back after this message. Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa Texas. No, it's not. It's Papa Texas, and this is Papa's Kitchen. The Big W made me that. Go check him out. He tours Route 66. Yeah. I need to do better on that, don't I? Back to Papa. Alright, so I want to tell you this. We got two super Kroger's in town. One of them had this sauce. I went to 3 Kroger's. 2 of them, they've never seen it yet. Never seen it in their stores. The third one had it. Oh, that garlic. I bought 5 of them, you know. So anyway, and we're going to use 1 or 2 today. I'm going to show you how. We use 1. If we need some more, we open the second one. If we don't, we don't. I'm trying to speed this thing up for you. But check this out. This Super Kroger, by the way, it's kind of like, if you're ever in South Texas, you have to go to a Super H-E-B. You do. And these Super Krogers up here are pretty close to being like an H-E-B, but I still prefer H-E-B. That there's none around here. It's like a 2-hour drive. All right, so this stuff here, 1.36 pounds, $12.99 a pound, $17.67. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's go this way for you. But what did Papa do? He used his awesome, I'm a member. So I got it for $6.80, so I paid $10.87 for some awesome looking American shrimp. There was another one in there that was frozen. It was like from Tahiti or something. No. Alright. Let's just get the cook on. Let's just go real fast. But the thing about it is, I got some crab cakes too. I got 4 of them. They're $1 a piece. I couldn't resist that. So we're gonna get this fire going. We're gonna do it on the Weber kettle in a fold pan and pour that stuff and just let's let it simmer. That's easy. So you'll see a little bit of that, but the main part is we want to stick to the end to see Papa do a taste review of the awesome garlic butter sauce and maybe give one away. Right now I'm gonna tell you right up here, you still got a chance to be in that giveaway, and you'll freak out when you see all the awesome items in that giveaway. All right? Everybody can enter. The way you enter is you leave a comment down below. How hard is that? Well, it'd be nice if you went and subscribed to Papa Texas Unfiltered. He's over there sometimes too. Oh, there's only one exception. You cannot be from Huan, China. Anyway, so we're gonna get this cook on. Oh, Gigi's making pasta. And I said in the other video, it's gonna be like a bed of pasta with garlic butter sauce shrimp cooked on the Weber kettle, sleeping on top. And you're gonna see that here real shortly. All right, I think I've dabbled-doobed enough. Let's get the cook on. Hang on. Well, I was gonna do it out here, but it's bright, sun shiny. Let's wait about 12 minutes and the sun go down so we can be in the shade, okay? Oh, have you hit my red subscribe button or my dinner bell? I like my dinner bell, Ron. You want to be notified when them good old cooking shows come out now, don't you? All right, let's let that sun go down. It's getting there, and we'll be right back. Oi! All right, here we go. This stuff. Oh. Ooh, I smelled something there. Hang on a minute. Hang on. Yeah. Oh, smell that. Can you smell it? Oh my gosh. Oh my. There is something in there besides the garlic that I am highly tasting. It's got these different flavors mixed into it. Oh, I guarantee. Oh, I like to have that on some breadsticks or on my pizza. Oh man, Papa. Oh, all right. Let's bring you over this way. You don't need to see my pretty face while we do this. Hang on, hang on. All right, let's get this goodness out. I think I'm gonna use 2 bottles. I used the pan too big. I guess the pan fits in there. Wasn't paying attention. All right, here's what we're gonna do. This is the way you do this, people. We're gonna look at this awesome shrimp. I know it's in a baggie too. Yeah. Check out some fresh shrimp from Kroger. Kroger's my kind of place. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna take this puppy. These are still got the little tails on them. Oh, look at some sauce in there. I'll be right back. Doesn't that look gorgeous? I said it. Oh man, yeah, it's gonna take 2. Oh, wait. Oh, caught it. Yeah. All right, let's go to second. Y'all, I am seriously tickled on this. Yeah. Now y'all zoomed in on that, I believe, so y'all can see that goodness just getting all over it. Somebody in that giveaway, which I'll leave a link to right up here, is going on. You still have a chance to get in on that one. Gotta leave a comment, gotta be a subscriber. If you are a subscriber to Papa Texas Unfiltered, you get some extra Koodle points. Alright. Oh my gosh. And think about, this is going to go sit on top of a pasta bed. Yeah. That stuff takes about 7 minutes to cook. This here, we just put them on there and we look for the color. Okay, we're going to turn this a couple times. We're offset cooking. We're going to have the heat and the smoke. You know what? Let's put some apple wood in there. Yeah. Papa, you drinking? Man, that's pretty hot. Ooh, that was on too. Alright, nothing wrong with a little apple wood. As I said, we're gonna let them simmer here. It won't take long. We're gonna turn it this way. Out that way. We'll see you at we'll go to Well, when I switch it around, I'll show you, because when I switch it around, I'm also going to stir it up, and we're going to see what it looks like. We'll be back in just a minute. I'm going to tell you this real quick. I'd appreciate you to share this video, because Papa may be the first one to ever review this on YouTube. Help Papa. Share it. I dare you. Share it. You know what? You could call this smoked shrimp in the Weber Kettle. Yeah, I just made that up. Alright, let's go look at the goodness going on. We're going to twirl these things around. I've already turned the crab cakes. Gotta get my other UV glove. If you don't have a pair of gloves, they sell them single. I lost one, so Gigi bought me another one for Christmas, and I found the first one. Now I've got two, and I've realized I should have had two in the first place. Yeah, I'll show you why here in just a sec. Alright. Get this sucker stirred up. Look at them crab cakes. They're looking yummy. Oh, this is looking good. Now, I'm gonna tell you this. When you smoke shrimp, it takes a lot longer. But right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put these UV gloves that the link is below. If I remember. All right. I'm gonna turn that puppy like that. Yeah. You know what we might do? I might need to add a few more coals, and I might end up pushing them down and setting this on top and let them simmer. That'd probably be a good idea. We're gonna let them smoke for a few more minutes. Oh, just to let you know, so what I've done right here, I put the Smart Row, and the temp right now inside is 244. Of course, it's going to change now that I did that. There's your shrimp. It's still smoking. But anyway, Smart Row, it's got two temps on it. You can put one in the meat and one goes in your grill to let you know. I don't need one in the shrimp. I just need one to see just kind of what the temp is running right there. Smart Row. Yeah, its link's down below for you. It's a pretty cool little gadget to have around. I'm going to turn this. I'm going to set it right over it for a few minutes. Turn it around, let the other side hit it, and we're going to be done. And we're going to put this on the pasta. Stay with us. All right, folks, look at that. Okay, we're going to be pulling this off. Doesn't that just look awesome? Seriously. All right, next time you see this, it'll be sitting on a bed of pasta. Don't forget about the Smart Row. You can get you one of those. I'll leave a comment or in the description down below on how to get a bunch of these products. Yeah, we're a rolling store over here. Anyway, that's all about that. And that. Yeah. Check that out. This looks awesome. And yes, I left the tails on them. Here we go. We're going to try this thing. It's very good. A normal person would say it's fantastic. Fantastico. I need more garlic, sorry. I like a punch. But it's good. Don't get me wrong. I paid $3.33 for a bottle. About 12 of them. Gigi did good on this too. Of course, part of it's the cook. The cook, he did an awesome job. There's some bread. We got a crab cake. Yeah, $1 a piece. Alright, I'm gonna go finish my plate. There'll be the link down below. Like I said, I didn't tell you this yet. Amazon says they only have 5 cases left, and they sell them 12-pack, $3.99 a piece. $39.99 a pack of 12 ends up being $3.33 a piece. They only have 5 in stock right now. Amazon's even almost low and out. You better hurry and get you some. Yeah, there was a bug. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a blessed rest of the week or weekend whenever you see this. Stay safe, stay apart. It's Papa. He's gonna go inside and eat. Papa Texas. See ya. Hit that dinner bell. Oh! See ya.